Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 10s and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. We have to change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera, one of them is the slow motion, so let's pick it. And here we are, we can start recording this type of video by using this big red button at the center. We can also go to the right corner button to adjust some more options about our slow motion. For example, change the speed from 120 to 960, so you can pick whatever you need. Now let me stay on this one to show you how it works, and let me start recording. And now let's stop by tapping again on shutter button to see the video. Let's move to the left one that follows us straight to the gallery. And now we can play it by tapping on the center. And this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.